Today, we're diving into the world of clean, fresh air with the Blueair Blue Pure 211i Max Air Purifier. We'll kick things off with a glimpse into the company's history, then unbox this impressive air purifier, explore what you'll find inside the box, delve into the unit itself, learn how easy it is to change the filter, and of course, we'll guide you through the process of connecting it to the app for convenient control and scheduling. So, let's get started. Blueair is a Swedish company founded in 1996 by Bengt Rittry. It has a strong history of pioneering air purification technology, with a focus on improving indoor air quality. Over the years, Blueair has become a global leader in the industry, known for its innovative air purifiers and commitment to creating healthier indoor environments. Blueair's commitment to innovation, quality, and clean air has made it a trusted name in the industry. The Blueair Blue Pure 211i Max Air Purifier is just one of their many products designed to enhance the air you breathe in your living space. Now let's get to the unboxing. When you open the box, you'll find the Blueair Blue Pure 211i Max neatly packed and protected. Here it says, "Freedom to breathe." Over 25 years ago, our Swedish founder wanted to ensure his children could breathe the same clean air inside their home as they did out in the pristine Swedish countryside. So he set out to make the world's best air purifier. Today, our award-winning air purifiers are still designed in Sweden for maximum filtration with minimum noise and environmental impact. And thanks to our ongoing fight and education around the effects of air pollution, over 1 million children worldwide now breathe cleaner air. Just to give you a size comparison, this is my Blue 311 Auto next to the Blue Pure 211i Max. The Blue Pure 211i Max unit is stylish, compact, and well built. It has dual protection filter, the heart of the purifier, combining activated carbon and a true HEPA filter. Comes with a user manual, a comprehensive guide for setup and operation. There is a power cord to provide the necessary power to your air purifier. The Blue Pure 211i Max stands at 22.7 inches high, 14.4 inches wide, and 14.4 inches deep, fitting comfortably in most rooms. The design is both aesthetically pleasing and functional, featuring 360-degree air intake. Changing the filter. To replace the filter in the Blueair Blue Pure 211i Max Air Purifier, start by unplugging the unit for safety, then remove the fabric pre-filter located on top by undoing the elastic bands. Underneath the pre-filter, you'll find the dual protection filter, which consists of two essential components: an activated carbon filter, responsible for handling odors and gases, and a true HEPA filter, designed to capture particles as small as 0.3 microns. Remove the old filter and replace it with a new one, then reattach the pre-filter, securing it with the elastic bands. Finally, plug in the air purifier and power it on. Filter replacement schedule. For optimal performance, plan to replace the dual protection filter every 6 months. However, consider more frequent replacements if you have high levels of indoor pollutants or allergens. Keep an eye on the filter replacement indicator on the control panel, or use the Blueair app to monitor the filter's status and ensure that your air purifier continues to maintain clean and purified air in your living space.
Alright, so let's go through the whole menu system here. Alright, so we've got A, which is auto mode, and this will basically adjust the fan speed based on how many particles are in the levels are in the air, and it will do all that for you automatically. And then we've got night mode, which is this, and in night mode, right, the fan is it's set to the lowest and the lights are in the dimmest setting, right? And then here we have fan speed level, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4, right, which you can adjust manually, right? 4 is obviously the highest setting. You can hear it kick in. Alright, and let's set that back to level 1. Okay, and to adjust the brightness of the screen here, what we're going to do is hold and press the fan and on button together for about 3 seconds. And then what you're going to do is tap the fan speed. 1, 2, 3. See? The LCD is dimming lower and now it's completely off. And it goes back to brighter, brightest, brightest. And then it's going back down. Okay, so that's how you adjust the LCD screen or the brightness of the light. Okay, and then to enable child lock, what you're gonna do is just hold on this button for 5 seconds and it will lock the screen here so the kids don't play with it. And then to reset the filter, so when the Blueair notifies you that it needs the filter to be changed, what you could do is hold on to the fan button for 15 seconds and it'll reset the counter on it. All right, and to do a factory reset, what you could do is hold on to the power button for 15 seconds and it will do a power factory reset. All right, to turn on and off the Wi-Fi LED, what you could do is hold the fan speed for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the Wi-Fi signal will turn off, meaning you've turned off the Wi-Fi. We're going to type in Blueair.
To connect your air purifier to the Blueair app and create schedules, follow these steps. First, let's download and install the Blueair app on your smartphone. Follow the in-app instructions to pair the device with your phone. You will need to register to get started. You will need to make sure to turn the Wi-Fi back on. Once connected, you can monitor air quality, set timers, and create schedules to keep your indoor air clean and fresh, even when you're not around.
Okay, so now name your air purifier. So right now this is going to be in my basement. So I'm going to change it to basement. Okay, so right now we are in the app. And it's basically saying, right, indoor one device, because I have one connected right now. All my other old Blueairs don't have the Wi-Fi and app option. Okay, so right now basement, it's in excellent condition. Fan speed is at 41%. Your air is clean. All right, now we can get into the product here. So right now it's at excellent at 12 o'clock fan speed. Oh wow, can we even dial in a little bit more accurately here? Maybe. Alright, let's go back out. Let's see if it's at 25%. Let's see if I just move it a tad bit. Does it actually? Oh, it's at 21%. Okay, so if you press here, you're only going at 25% increments, right? You're restricted to that. But through the app, right, you're able to dial in exactly, the exact percentage of a fan speed that you will like. So if I go up to, it should be maybe like 55, you can already hear it happening. And if we close it, pretty close. We're at 52%. Right, but that's pretty neat. You're able to dial in the exact amount of fan speed you want through the app. Right, so I want something where it's not too loud, but I want to hear it just enough so that it's doing its job in cleaning, which is a pretty nice feature to have. Your air is clean. Okay, so in the app, what we can do is we can control the fan speed, of course, set to auto. We have night mode, child lock, and the LED brightness. You can actually change it through the app as well, obviously. So if we bring it up to 100%, that's 100%. Bring it down to 4%. Boom. See right there. I like to leave it. We'll just leave it at brightest. Filter status. Filter lifetime left is 99%, and you can add schedules, replace filters. Okay, let's try to add a schedule. So we can choose, wow, okay, so you can choose what time to start, what time to end, and then you can choose, you know, what mode to be in, the fan speed, what setting to be in, right? You can choose the LED brightness. You can repeat the pattern every day, and then you can put a custom name to it. And then after a schedule ends, the device should go back to previous setting or custom setting. Nice. And then product settings, custom name, location, assignment, product info. Wow, okay. So using the app, you're able to dial in exactly the fan speed that you want, and then bonus is that you're able to add schedules. So, you know, say in the morning you want to do a fresh house clean or a fresh full room clean. So you want to max out the fan speed for maybe like 5-10 minutes, then bring it back to normal when people are awake, right? And whatnot, right? There's a bunch of like customizations and options you can do now that there's an app, which is actually pretty cool.
In conclusion, after using this Blueair Blue Pure 211 iMax for a few weeks now, it is a fantastic air purifier that combines style, function, and efficiency. User-friendly features, including easy filter replacement and app control, make it a top choice for improving indoor air quality. With the automated scheduled cleaning, it truly is a game changer where it's really a set and forget air filter unit. That's it for the unboxing and review of the Blueair Blue Pure 211 iMax air purifier. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews and home improvement tips. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this air purifier, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and breathe easy.